So we're going to talk about the Kemimoto bag that I put behind the between the back seats. I used push pins, and as you can see up across the top here, I put quite a few push pins in. I had to put some grommets in the bag because it didn't come with any, so I basically cut off the straps that the bag came with and put all those push pins in. And then down here I put 3 down there, and that's how I anchored that down. The Chupacabra bag, it's actually designed for a RZR, fit pretty well. I didn't have to cut the bag up, but I did the same thing. I put push pins, I got some grommets and punched some holes in the bag, and put several. Put one around the corner here. There's one down there. I did that on both side bags. Now for the front bag, I had to cut. It also was a RZR front bag, and I had to cut the little pad off that came right here, and I put 2 push pins there. Again, had to put the grommets in it. Has a real neat little insulated pouch there. It's good for water. Push pins there. I actually put some push pins in the middle of the bag. It's pretty handy. I keep my wireless winch remote there, and so this little pouch is pretty good here. Keep your cell phone in it. Handy. The passenger side rear, it has a pretty good little pouch in it. This is just a simple little pouch that also could be used for a cell phone. That's the pad deal that the back has. It's kind of nice because it sits in there and can give some side padding to the passenger. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the way these Chupacabra bags came out. They're pretty solid. I don't know if y'all have seen the Polaris bag that goes in here. It's kind of a neat deal. Nice and soft. You can never have too many places to store stuff and stash little items here and there. These are some things that I've learned from others, and I thought I would share with you. These are the grommets that I used. Got them off Amazon. And these are the push pins. Hope you enjoyed this video on storage bags. Thanks for tuning in, and always ride safely.